Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix network adapter automatically turns off. To start, enter troubleshoot in the search box. It opens to troubleshoot other problems. There in the network and internet section, click run. In the wizard, you will see the cause of the current error that generates the problem and its viable solutions. When you click on Run Troubleshooter, you can see a multiples questions to validate the error. Complete this process. Now right-click on the Start menu and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to open the terminal. Here, free the DNS cache. Run the command ipconfig/flush DNS. After that, it renews the WinSock catalog. Run the command netsh winsock reset. For this process to be applied, you must restart Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.